Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you a new big airdrop which is same like dogs or anything else, but it will give you huge profit. It is spotted by some big exchanges like Bitget, OKX and some others. So what you need to do is I will provide you the link in the description. Just join this, okay? So let me show you the bot. When you join the bot, it will calculate your score. The score is basically calculated on how actively you have been using Telegram since you have joined. So my score in this bot is 94k. Okay, so you can get a wheel option. Okay, there is a wheel option. You can spin this wheel and get more tokens. Okay, you can get 10,000 tokens for tones or some tickets. So the, the basic thing in this wheel is these tickets. The more ticket you have, the more spin you can. Okay, you can get 2 tickets for every refer, for every friend you refer. Okay, so I have now 4 tickets. I will spin it later, but let me show you the tweet that which exchange is following this, which exchange is supporting this airdrop. Okay, so let's go to our Twitter. This is the X account of this agent 301 community. Okay, so when we move a little bit down, we will see this tweet. Okay, this one. You can see we have partnered. This tweet was given by Bitget exchange. They are saying that we have partnered with the agent 301 to enhance your tap to earn journey on Tone. Complete Bitget tasks to bot in bot to earn rewards. Sign up on Bitget and complete KYC for 15,000 agent points. Follow Bitget. You can also join this from Bitget exchange. If you have account on Bitget, you can do the tasks from Bitget exchange also. Okay, so the main thing is that don't miss this free airdrop. It will be huge. It will direct get listed on Bitget exchange and many other which will be announced later. Okay, so let's go to our bot and complete some tasks. I have shown you the wheel. Okay, so let's go to the wheel and spin this wheel. I have 4 tickets. It means I can spin 4 times. Let's see how much I can win. Let's spin this wheel. Tone, please. My god, I got 10,000 agent points. Okay, I still have 3 tickets. It means I can spin 3 more times. Let's spin this. I got 3 more tickets. Let's spin these all. I got 10,000 more agent points. I still have 4 spins. uh, let's spin this fast. I got 3 more spins, so I will spin it later. Let me show you the wallet connection process. Okay, as you can see, I got the agent points. First I was on 90k, now 100k plus. So for wallet connection, you can click on this upper corner. Okay, withdraw to wallet, connect this, sign up on BitGet. These are the some tasks you can. There is a one other huge opportunity to get more tickets. When you connect your wallet and do some transaction, then you will get 25 more tickets. Okay, this task, when you complete this, you will get 25 more tickets, means you will get 25 more spins. So when for wallet connection, click on this, click here, click any wallet. I am going to connect Tonekeeper, select Tonekeeper. Okay, click here, connect wallet. As you can see, my wallet has been connected to this bot. So you can do some tasks and get more agent points, and do these all tasks. Don't miss anyone. Thanks for watching the video. Do more refers, get more tickets, and get more spins. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will upload real airdrops like this.